If you've got a water cooler supplier business and you're looking for an affordable professional website, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple website for your water cooler supplier business. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market. There it is over there, water cooler supplier. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to put in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located. You can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, multi-sites will automatically generate a website for you with the information you've just popped in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of the various water coolers you supply. Maybe you want to upload them to your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content that was pre-written. Perhaps you don't offer all of these services. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to be super tech savvy at all. You don't need to know any website coding, and you certainly don't need to pay anyone or hire anyone to do this for you. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Phone number, let's pop it in over here. That is click to call, by the way. Your address, physical location, maybe you don't have one, but if you do, pop it in over here. Customers can easily click on that address when your website's live and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a business logo, browse your device over here to upload it. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out our YouTube channel. We have some recommendations, one being Canva or Hatchful.com. Great options if you don't have a huge budget for a logo designer. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on this pencil directly over it to make slight amendments to it. You can crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames. Otherwise, save it, and here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. With multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors. If you'd like to change them, no color coding needed at all. Click on that paint bucket, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to make it a little bit more personalized to your business, it's super simple. Click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Otherwise, search the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Play around with the keywords and just see what images pop up. Or you now have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those Instagram photos. Under update action, we can change that button, the text on the button, and where the button links to, even uploading a PDF file, maybe with a catalog or brochure of your business. Under update content is where we can make it a little bit more personalized to our business. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you via this form. You'll find all your leads in your Marty dashboard, as well as get notified via your registered email as leads do come in. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, which is really recommended to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors, click on connect your domain to set it up. If you don't have a domain, you'd really like one, click on that button as well. At the bottom, yellow connect your domain button. You can actually purchase your domain as well via the multi-sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your water cooler supplier business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.